Hey friends, if you love junk journaling, mixed media, card making, scrapbooking, any making, and a good surprise, you're going to love these mystery kits. Each bundle is thoughtfully curated with a mix of beautiful ephemera, textiles, and other creative goodies to spark your inspiration. Just a quick note, what you're seeing here is an example of what can be included. Some elements may be similar, but every single pack is unique, so no two are exactly the same. Just remember, that's part of the magic. You never know what treasures you'll get, but it's always going to be something cool. So if you have any questions or comments, please shoot them at me and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Happy creating.